then
May
get the cotton.
No guide po.
No guide.
No, guys.
You have to practice. Huwag kayo stick sa guide. No? Because if you know how to do the freehand and compared to with having the guide tube, totally different effectiveness. Iba talaga. Okay? Sige.
When you do freehand, do you usually go direct or you gumagano?
Hindi.
Bahala ka na. Anong technique?
Wow. Ay, masakit.
Masakit na.
Sige.
Kailangan mabilis. Eh, tanggalin na natin para...
Ulit daw ba? Aray. Ito naman.
Okay. Sige.
Okay ba yan?
Next, kuha kayo ng sarili.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh, Mark.
Ibalik buksan lahat. And I'll teach you the right way.
Ah, okay.
Kasi when I was in China, yun ang pinaka-importante.
Actually,
Sige.
most of them talaga they don't use it.
Okay. Sige, okay lang, okay lang. Gusto ko evaluate yun how you do the needle.
Ayun. Tutok mo muna bago may iba ko.
Bilisan mo ha.
Wala na.
Okay, sige.
Thank you. Mas masakit.
Wow.
Okay.
Next. Ikaw na. Ang dapat sa akin.
When you practice needling, do you use something for insertion?
Huh? What do you mean?
I mean to say, you use an object, then you insert the needle.
Before when we
Before
were in
sweet
the-
soap.
Orange.
Huh?
Orange at saka yung sponge na from practice before.
Mhm.
Masakit pag binigla mo. Mas masakit pag binigla.
Okay. Sino pa? Wala pa.
Ikaw na,
Meron pa?
Chip.
Kamahuna ka na.
Mas masakit yung
Kukuha bukas
ginati.
na ako ng isa pa.
Dapat dikit.
Open to
Bago
naman.
iba.
Oh, open mo, open mo.
Parang yun nasa...
Andre, did you do?
No, tama.
Sige.
Anong ginawa ko kanina?
Masugatan.
Hindi, ikaw, ganun yun sa'yo.
Makapal yan.
Oh, magaling si
So, diba?
sister.
Put here. Here.
Magaling yun. Wow. Dami ng tusok na na.
Next. Steppy.
Wow.
Andre.
Okay, tapos na yata, Andre. Magaling. Wow!
Uy, tagalin mo.
Okay.
Ang galing.
Oh, hindi ko alam ah.
Sige. Okay.
Wow.
Sino pa?
Tapos
Wala
na
na.
ako.
Okay. Hawak pa lang karayong, you need to correct na. Okay, how is the proper way to hold a needle?
Ito, sir.
Ito po, okay.
O, Dan,
So-
ikaw naman.
Ang hawak natin needle is like this. Right? Kanina may nakita ko, few of you, tama. Okay? So, what is the use of the middle finger?
Strengthen.
Support.
Support.
Guide.
Okay, as guide, as support, right? So as guide, as support. What about these two? You use
That's a force.
the force to put in.
Yes.
Okay, so when you tusok, okay, how about this area?
It's this.
Hindi ba?
the whole,
Ito ang
papasok.
papasok. Ito.
Ah.
Okay? So, nakita ko yung iba gumaganon eh. No? Even some experts, they show gumaganon sila. Maybe that's their style. But for me, okay, I don't think that's the right way. Okay? It's here. Right? No? Hindi kailangan masyadong mataas. Malapit. No? Ito. No? This one as guide. When you apply it, having needle insertion at the start, you can have it.
Totoo.
No? You practice that way. No? Yun. Then, pag lalo na, pag sanay ka na, you can, no? Yung just only hit it. No? Very important is the force. Kahit na hindi malalim, when you have to force, the needle point, okay, will release power, penetrate hanggang sa baba. So, ang recommend ko sa inyo, syempre, bago pa lang kayo, okay, yun ang kailangan una ninyo
Practice.
i-practice. You can use what? Okay? Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Because the skin is different. No?
Very thick. And
Yeah, you use the eggplant. Or you can use the potato. Use it. Or even the banana. No? Pangtusok. Okay? Sanay. No? The most important is holding the needle at the right way. No? Hindi ganon. No? Ay ganon, pababa.
So straight down.
Straight down. Okay? When sanay na, you can have it sideway. No? Kasi, if you have the correct needling technique, then, iba ang treatment efficacy. No? It depends on your power. How you release. So, usually, ang turo sa amin, when during the start, okay, you use concentration. Focus. Okay? Focus, your energy is traveling down here. Okay? It's just like, si Lloyd, marunong siya eh. Yung pole, no? Minsan nakita mo mga martial artists, nag-hit sila pole, yung sa dulo gumagalaw. Bakit? The power runs through here and execute at this area. No? So you have to also do it like that. No? Ganito. Then, when you get used to this, you can just only, when comes the time, shoot ka lang. Shoot ka lang. Hindi na kayo ng stimulation. No? Pwede stimulate. Or, you can also do it this way. Ha? Ang tinuro sa amin, okay, cotton please. It's, in Chinese, it's called the heaven, cantil, heaven, human, and earth technique. Okay? And in some people, they call it the inducing technique. Okay? You hit it up, then
Release.
1, 2, 3. Ha? Okay?
Twice.
1, 2, 3.
Yung baon pa.
Yung pabaon. And release, pero I don't believe in pufa, kung siefa. Okay? In pufa and siefa ko, it's more on acupuncture point selection. Okay?
Rather than the hand technique.
Rather than the hand technique. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3. And sometimes you will also do 1, 2, 3, twist.
Twist.
No? Parang ilalak mo. So, practice that at home. Ha? Because it matters a lot. Okay? Sige, we're done. So, on next meeting, I will share with you 2 topics also. Mainly the shoulder periarthritis